Hi everyone, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a highly requested video. This is the summer makeup which you all have requested me on Instagram, and therefore here's a video on it. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching this video. I'm going to first start by using Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. It is a great moisturizer for oily skin. And then to protect my skin from any kind of sun damage, I'm going to slather some sunscreen. To further minimize my pores, I'm going to use Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. This will ensure that my pores are minimized so that it doesn't secrete any kind of oils. Now that I'm done with all those steps, I'm going to go ahead and dot that foundation all over my face. The foundation I'm using is by Nykaa and Maybelline. Try and use a matte based foundation to ensure that your face doesn't look sweaty. For concealing my under eyes, I'm going to first go ahead with Yellow Corrector by LA Girl, and then I'm going to apply Maybelline Fit Me Concealer on top of it so that my eyes look fresh and there is no darkness there. To set and lock my base makeup, I'm going to use Sugar Cosmetics Press Powder, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. For setting my eyebrows here, I'm going to use Maybelline Fashion Bro Pomade. Now you can take any brown kajal. The one I'm taking is by Voste. I'm going to apply it over my eyelid and smudge it with a brush. Smudging has to be only on half of my eyelid. Further, I'm going to go ahead and mix these two brown shades and apply it over the kajal that I have smudged, making sure that I don't go to my crease. And now taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend that eyeshadow on my eyelid. Taking a flat brush, I'm going to take that black eyeshadow from the same palette and apply it very close to my lash line. As you can see, I'm pushing the black eyeshadow towards my eyelids so that I get a really nice gradient effect, and also this will make my eyelashes look fuller. Now I will take that dark chocolate eyeshadow on the same flat brush and apply it on my lower lash line. Here also I will be pushing the eyeshadow towards my cheek so that I get that nice sultry look. And now I'm going to take that white kajal from Lakme and tightline my eyes. You can even use black kajal if you prefer. I prefer white because it makes my eyes look fresh all day long. Once done with that, I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara both on my upper as well as lower eyelashes. After applying mascara, I'm going to go ahead and apply some blush on my cheeks and then pop some highlighter on high points of my face. I'm going to take the same highlighter and put it on the inner corners of my eyes as well as on my brow bone. To finish off the look, I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics Lip Crayon in the shade Viola. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating this look for you. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any further requests or feedback regarding my channel or this video, then please don't hesitate and comment below. I would love to hear from you guys, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.